Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this beautiful hairstyle. The hair is from Ywigs.com. This is crochet, by the way. If you like crochet braid but you don't want to deal with no synthetic hair, you want to wash your hair, be able to blow dry it and put heat on it and curl it, this is the right hair for it. This hair is also a great option if you want your crochet braid to last longer. You know, when you use synthetic crochet hair, it may get tangled on you. You may not be able to run brush through it. This one, you can wet it, run brush through it, revive it using products to make it brand new again and keep it longer. This is how one pack look like. You have two bundles in one pack. They sent us 3, so it's 6 small bundles in total. And this is how the hair is hanging. You have a very firm strand in the middle that's hold the hair, and when you are crocheting it, you only have to make 1 knot. And the good thing about it, you can reuse this hair because of that. If you don't know how to remove it, you just undo the braid pattern and everything just fall off. You wash the hair and reuse it again. This is what I like about this hair, and it's human hair too. Now the braid pattern, we are keeping it simple. I'm leaving some of her edges, even a little bit of more hair out up front. And then just do 10 to 12 cornrows going straight back. Again, this hairstyle is very simple and very easy. I added some hair braiding on for her cornrows, and I'll just do 10 to 12 of them going straight back with a little bit of leave out. And that would be it. Once I'm done with the cornrows, I'll just tuck the last braid in. And I'll just start with the crochet, and I'll show you exactly what I mean when I said it's very easy to install. This is the hair right here. I'll just take 1 strand and just crochet it in. That's it. That's how it looks like. The strand doesn't stretch, so it's a very firm strand. You just do this and crochet it. If you don't feel comfortable with that, you can just do it twice, but I'm telling you, 1 is just enough. 1 knot. If you want to, you can do 2 knots, but just do 1 and then you keep going. Do 1 and you keep going, and you see how full the hairstyle look as you keep going. Each strand has a lot of hair in it. It's super thick, and when I run my hands through it, it does not shed, and that's a great thing. And then that would be like, I have 2 more to install, and then she'll just be done. It took me like 1.5 hours to do this hairstyle. All I have to do once I'm done here is just make sure the front blend, and I'll use this specific product. I'll show it to you in a minute. I'll try to link that product in the description box as well. I'll just layer the hair a little bit so it can look fuller. And that's it. This is the product that we use to define her curl to make it blend with the hair in the back. These products also tame hair and remove frizzes, which we didn't have any issue with that hair. The hair remained brand new. It didn't frizz. It did not shed. It did not look used. So it's not really necessary to use product on that hair on day 1 unless you want to. And it's human hair, so there's no issue with that. I mostly use this product for her own hair up front so it can blend with the human hair. And you'll see at the end how nice it looks. I also did use some edge control up front because her hair is natural. It's not relaxed. What I'm doing here is just using the comb, just comb through it to get hair to look bigger, and also to see if there will be any shedding. There was none. And that's the final product. Thank you very much for watching this video. Once again, the hair is from Ywigs. They sent 3 bundles, and they sent 3 packs, and each pack has 2 bundles in it. It's very full. You get a lot of hair, and we used all of it because we wanted the full look. I did use some product on her hair, so it kind of looked like it shrank, but if you want it to look bigger, just run a comb or you run your fingers through it, and once it's fully dry, it's gonna get bigger than that. Once again, thank you very much for watching this video, and check the description box.